Hey folks, and welcome back to another of the how-to series. So today, what we're going to do is we're going to jump in. Where do you find your target audience? Yesterday we spoke about that avatar or your ideal dream customer. Now, once you've defined all that, you know a lot about that particular person. So the next stage is, where do you go to find those target customers? Now, you can utilize any of the social platforms. You can utilize ads, although as a beginner, I suggest that you don't start with ads. I'm going to cover in the later series a fairly user-friendly approach that is a low cost for you to practice with ads, but for the time being you really need to concentrate on social media platforms. So you can do this through TikTok, the platform that we're currently on. You can do it on Instagram, you can do it on Facebook, you can do it on YouTube, and there's lots of others like Reddit, for example, and Quora. But the main point is, now that you know how your customer operates, where they're from, what they like, what they prefer to do, you can get a picture of where they hang out. Now, if you're targeting TikTok, you need to follow applicable hashtags. But if you go, for example, to Facebook, you're opening yourself up to an easier search within that social platform to find your ideal customer. So if, for example, you've decided that your ideal customer is a female, aged 20 to 25, who wants a certain a transformation, let's say in the fitness space, then you can use all the applicable target words to go and search on Facebook, and you will find people, you will find groups, you will find events, you will find just about anything that you want to find. This is why I struggle when people say I can't get leads. They are everywhere, folks. There is no shortage of them. You just need to target the places where they hang out. If you're going to target places where your ideal customer does not hang out, then guess what? You are not going to resonate your message with anybody. You need to resonate with people that are open to listening to what you have to say, because that obviously makes your job as a marketer a damn sight easier, and it increases your chances of getting those conversions once you've built a relationship with those individuals. I really hope this one helps, and follow me for more, because I'm going to be going deeper into the how-tos, all for free. See you in the next one.